Rate at which salt dissolves in water is directly proportional to the amount that remains undissolved. So if 10 pounds of salt is placed in a container of water and 4 pounds dissolve in 20 minutes, how long will it take for 2 more pounds to dissolve? So we're starting off with 10 pounds, so we have 0, 10, and then 4 pounds dissolve, so that means we're going to have 6 pounds left. So be careful for our next ordered pair. It's not going to be 4 for our Y value, but 6. And that happens in 20 minutes. So our ordered pair is 26. So we want to figure out how long it takes for 2 more pounds to dissolve. First we're going to have to find K, and then we're going to have to figure out how much time until we have 4 pounds left. So we're going to find that X value, or the T value, the time. So for this one, our initial value is 10, so we have Y equals 10 times E to the KT. We're going to go ahead and substitute 20 in for our time, 6 in for Y. So 6 equals 10 times E to the 20K. I'm going to solve for that. We get E to the 20K equals 0.6. We can take the natural log of both sides, and we get 20K equals natural log of 0.6. And then to figure out what K is, we're just dividing by 20. So natural log of 0.6 divided by 20, we get negative 0.0255. So I'm going to go ahead and store that in for X. And now we have our formula, but we need to figure out some more information. We've got Y equals 10 times E to the negative 0.0255 times T. So we're trying to find the time when our Y value is 4. So we're going to substitute 4 in for our Y value. So solving is going to be pretty similar to what we just did. We're going to have E to the negative 0.0255 T equals 4 divided by 10, so 0.4. And we need to take the natural log of both sides. We get negative 0.0255 T equals natural log of 0.4. So to find our time, we just have to divide. So natural log of 4 divided by our X value that we stored. And we get negative 54.277. Well, that doesn't make sense to have a negative time. So as I look back at my calculator here, I realize that I didn't put the decimal in for 0.4. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. And we end up getting 35.875. So that's how many minutes it takes from the beginning. And remember, it took 20 minutes for the first part, so about 16 minutes after that, we'll be down to 4 pounds.